The book of Judges tells a turbulent story. Judges chapter 12 plunges us into the heart of this tumultuous period. We see how quickly triumph can give way to tragedy. Yet, amidst the chaos, glimmers of hope emerge. We encounter leaders who strive for peace and unity. Their reigns offer a stark contrast to the bloodshed that surrounds them. The chapter begins with Jephthah, a valiant warrior leading Israel to victory against the Ammonites. His victory, however, is short-lived. The tribe of Ephraim, feeling slighted and envious, rises up against Jephthah. They accuse him of not involving them in the battle. Jephthah finds himself facing a new enemy, his own people. The Ephraimites, a powerful tribe within Israel, feel overlooked. They believe they should have been consulted before Jephthah engaged the Ammonites. Their anger boils over, leading to a fierce confrontation with Jephthah. This conflict is not merely about military strategy. It is about wounded pride and the struggle for power. Jephthah, battle-hardened and weary, tries to reason with the Ephraimites. He reminds them that he had no choice but to act swiftly against the Ammonite threat. He explains that he did call upon them, but they did not heed his plea. His words, however, fall on deaf ears. The Ephraimites, blinded by rage and resentment, refuse to listen. Jephthah, faced with this direct challenge to his authority, is left with no choice but to defend himself and his tribe. Following the tumultuous events of Jephthah's judgeship, a period of relative peace descends upon Israel. 3 judges, Ibzan, Elon and Abdon, guide the nation through these calmer times. Their reigns, though briefly described, stand in stark contrast to the violence that characterized Jephthah's time. These judges, unlike Jephthah, are not known for their military exploits. Their stories are not filled with battles and conquests. Ibzan, Elon, and Abdon govern with wisdom and justice. They focus on maintaining internal harmony and upholding the law. Their reigns serve as a reminder that true leadership lies not only in strength and victory in war, but also in wisdom, fairness, and the pursuit of peace. These judges embody the qualities that Israel desperately needs after the turmoil of Jephthah's time. They offer a glimpse of what is possible when unity and justice prevail. Amidst the narratives of conflict and peace, Judges 12 subtly points towards a greater figure, Jesus Christ. Jephthah, despite his flaws and the tragic consequences of his vow, emerges as a deliverer for Israel. He prefigures Jesus, the ultimate savior who would deliver his people from the bondage of sin. Jephthah's military leadership, though imperfect, foreshadows Jesus' role as a conquering king. Furthermore, the peaceful reigns of Ibzan, Elon and Abdon offer a glimpse of the ultimate peace that Jesus brings to the world. These judges, through their just and compassionate rule, create a harmonious society. They reflect in a limited way the perfect peace that Jesus establishes through his sacrifice on the cross. Thus, Judges 12, while focusing on earthly leaders, subtly hints at the coming of a greater leader, one who would bring lasting peace and reconciliation. Judges 12 offers profound lessons in leadership. Jephthah's story serves as a cautionary tale. It highlights the dangers of pride and rash decisions. His conflict with the Ephraimites underscores the importance of communication and understanding in leadership. The Ephraimites, too, teach us a valuable lesson. Their resentment and jealousy demonstrate how easily unity can be fractured. In contrast, the reigns of Ibzan, Elon, and Abdon emphasize the importance of humility, justice, and a commitment to peace. These judges lead with wisdom and compassion, seeking the welfare of all Israelites. Their leadership style stands as a model for all who aspire to positions of authority. Judges 12, therefore, reminds us that true leadership involves more than just strength and power. It necessitates humility, a willingness to listen, and a deep commitment to the well-being of those we lead. The stories of Judges 12, though set in ancient Israel, resonate deeply with our modern world. The same human failings that plagued Jephthah and the Ephraimites, pride, jealousy, and a thirst for power, continue to fuel conflicts today. The chapter's message of unity, forgiveness, and the importance of strong, ethical leadership remains as relevant as ever. Judges 12 reminds us that true peace is not merely the absence of conflict, but the presence of justice, understanding, and compassion. It encourages us to look beyond our differences and work together for the common good. The chapter thus serves as a timeless reminder of our shared humanity and our responsibility to build a more peaceful and just world. Are you ready for the next chapter? Just click here to go straight to it.